Hello, welcome back to We Love Orchids. This is Ileana, and today we have an unboxing from Yoshi at Orchids by the Lake, and it's no space sale and other little goodies. So come along with me. I'm gonna put this box by this chair because it's really in the way. So let's see what I got. Ooh, I have a nice Hoya he sent me. Newspaper. My list. And as you can see, I ordered some Coelogynes that he had, and I could not say no to that. And wow, this looks like I have a lot of stuff in here. Let's put this over here. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Christmas is here soon, so Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy New Year. And this is Coelogyne butterneriana. Coelogyne butterneriana. The roots look really great. And here she is. I have to repot her pretty quickly. How about that, like Yoshi says. Look at that. Nice plump roots. So that's one of them. I ordered 3. And then let's see what the next one is. Hopefully you guys could hear me. And I'm using a different camera today. So let's put these tags together. And this one is Coelogyne pandurata. Pandurata. Hopefully I'm saying that correct also. This one is really like, the other one was huge. This one is really big. Ooh. Look at that. Look at those leaves. Could find myself with that. Really in good health. Look at all those roots. Beautiful roots. Beautiful orchid. So this is Coelogyne pandurata. Let's put her on this side again. And this one is Coelogyne mosier yellow lip. Coelogyne mosier yellow lip. Let's see what this beauty looks like. So when my husband edits the video, we'll put some pictures up so that you can see what they look like. It's a little moist. This is a smaller version of it, so this is a smaller species. And these 3 are all species. And the roots look pretty good. There's a little fungus there that I have to get rid of, but no worries. And then I have one more. I think that's it for the boxes. This one is Paphiopedilum. Paphiopedilum. Like I said, this is from a no space sale that Yoshi has. If you guys wanna buy any no sale from Yoshi, do it quickly because they might be gone by the time you purchase them, and you don't want them to go. So go ahead and go to Orchids by the Lake and see Yoshi's no sale and how to ask for the list. He'll email you the list. Okay, and hopefully he has enough goodies out there for you guys to order. So this one seems like a seedling, not sure, but there she goes. She looks very healthy. Very healthy. And this is a species, Paphiopedilum. And now let's open this Hoya that he sent me. Thank you, Yoshi, for the Hoyas. I love Hoyas. I love orchids and I love Hoyas as well. So this is a cutie. This one is Hoya DS-70. Hoya DS-70. It's also an epiphyte, like the orchids, mostly all the orchids. And she is really cute. Thank you so much, Yoshi. Everything came well in the mail, and see you guys next time. Be safe. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Bye.